Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by verifying the essentials. Open Device Manager and confirm a Bluetooth adapter appears. Once confirmed, press Windows plus R, type Services. MSC and hit Enter to find Bluetooth Support Service. Make sure it's set to automatic and is running. Next, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices and check the toggle is on. If the toggle or icon is missing, don't stop here. We'll refresh drivers and system settings in the next steps to restore the icon. Now refresh drivers and system components. In Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click your adapter and choose Update Driver. If the issue began after an update, use Rollback Driver. Once done, run Settings Windows Update and check optional updates for driver packages. If the icon still won't appear, uninstall the Bluetooth adapter device. Restart or use Action Scan for hardware changes to reinstall it. This rebuilds the driver stack and often returns the missing icon to the taskbar area. Finish by restoring the taskbar icon and running final checks. Open Settings Personalization taskbar corner icons and toggle Bluetooth on. If it's still absent, run Settings Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters and use the Bluetooth troubleshooter to detect configuration issues. As a deeper fix, open Admin PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If that fails, restart and check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.